Creative and fun learning. Create a DIY bird nest box. On a sunny Friday morning in a bustling neighborhood park, our 6 young friends gathered for their favorite activity, creative and fun learning. Today, announced the teacher with a sparkle in her eyes, we're going to make something special, a DIY bird nest box. With eager expressions, the children took their seats at the work table and looked over the materials. Wooden planks, nails, paintbrushes, and birdseed. The teacher handed out diagrams showing how to create a cozy little nest box, and the children were ready to start building. As the friends began to work, they talked about the birds that might someday use their nests. They wondered which feathered friends would claim their homes and how many eggs they could hatch. The friends worked together, each one focusing on a different task. Some measured and cut pieces of wood, while others hammered nails to hold everything together. They giggled and shared stories as they worked, their creativity flowing freely. As the afternoon sun cast long shadows across the park, the friends took a break to enjoy some juice boxes and birdseed snacks. They discussed their favorite designs and how the birdhouse could attract more birds. Once they had finished building, the friends decorated their birdhouses with colorful feathers, leaves, and seeds to make them even more inviting for birds. They smiled proudly at each other's creations, appreciating the diversity of their designs. The teacher collected all of their finished birdhouses and displayed them on the work table. Each child felt a sense of accomplishment at having created something so wonderful. They talked about how they could hang their birdhouses in their backyards and wait for birds to come. As the sun began to set, the friends said their goodbyes and headed home with their new birdhouses in hand. They couldn't wait to hang them up and see if any birds would come to visit. Over the next few days, the families watched as their birdhouses filled with life. The children were excited to see the birds flying in and out of their homes. They couldn't wait to learn more about these feathered friends and share their discoveries with each other. The following week, the friends gathered once more in the park. They shared stories about the birds that had come to visit their homes and talked about what they had learned about these fascinating creatures. The teacher wrote new information about different types of birds on the chalkboard. The children listened intently, asking questions and learning even more about their feathered friends. As the lesson came to an end, they couldn't wait for their next adventure together. As the children gathered their things and said their goodbyes, they felt a sense of accomplishment at having created something special together. They left the park with new knowledge, friendships, and a love for nature that would last a lifetime.